guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ray, and I haven't said that in a long time. I'm back. Now, don't hold me to it, but I did film this YouTube video, so hopefully I can get this posted on Saturday like I'm supposed to. But long time no see. Hopefully the video quality looks good. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands either. I was kind of really nervous for this. Today I'm just gonna do some white French tips with some gold accents to it, and they're gonna be almond, obviously, because I've been on an almond what is it called? An almond fixation? Where I've just had almond nails for the longest time. But these are the sculpted almond long from Apres, and you guys know that they're my go-to Gel X. My nails are looking raggedy. I ripped off my other set that I had. So here's me prepping my nails. What have I been doing over these past couple of months? These past couple of months have been crazy for me. I graduated high school. I went to Disney World. And I've just been working on my business. And I decided, well, let me just film a YouTube video, see if I can get back into the groove of it. And I have. This is my first video I filmed. I'm getting ready to film another one tomorrow. Hopefully you guys are seeing this on Saturday. If not, you guys are probably seeing this on Sunday. But I mean, at least I got it uploaded. So yeah, I will be back in a second. I'm just gonna let you guys watch me prep my nails, and I will be back.
Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away. Stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to see like the top down. God is what's in my way. Live right now. So it's not wasting another day. Cause if I like to see them, you wanna say nothing to say like the top down. Almost lost my mind.
Okay, now that my nails are all prepped, I'm just gonna go in with my Model 1s, I hope it's pronounced like that, nail dehydrator, and I'm gonna go in with my primer. I always dehydrate my nails twice just to make sure I'm getting all the oils out of it. Sometimes I'll go in with my 100% acetone and dehydrate my nails, but I've been using this Model 1's dehydrator, and it's been working just as good.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly about the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your...
Okay, now that my nails are dehydrated and primed, I'm just going to go in with this builder gel that I got from Shein. I like it. It's just a nice pink color. I just put this on before I do my Gel X. So I go in with a very thin coat of this on all of my nails. Just for strength, I don't know. And it also helps my nail color when I'm going in and putting on a base color.
Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? 'Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? 'Cause I need to get away, yeah. 'Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? 'Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now.
Okay, now I'm gluing on the tips. Don't ask me why I'm starting with my middle finger. My pointer finger was not wanting to listen, so I'm going in with my middle finger first. But I use the Beetles solid gel to adhere my Gel X tips.
Stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to see, nothing to talk down. Come on, let's put some more away, live right now. So it's not wasting another day.
Okay, now that all my tips are applied, I'm going to go ahead and file them and shape them. And I'm also going to go ahead and put another layer of that builder gel over top of my Gel X just to make sure that they're nice and strong. Here's how they look when they're prepped. And here is how they look after I put on the builder gel and one coat of my base color. Not too much on how I'm struggling with these French tips. Not too much now. But not too much on how I'm struggling. You see, I keep looking at my other nails. I was doing my nails at like 4 a.m, so please do not come for me. Don't come for me. I'm still really slow when it comes to doing my nails. Like, I'm still slow when it comes to doing other people's nails as well. But for doing my nails, I'm still slow. Like, I think I started on my nails at like 2 a.m. and I wasn't done until 6. So I'm still extremely slow. But faster than I was, but I'm still extremely slow. So not too much, not too much.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water.
All right, here's how my nails look when I'm done with the fringe. So now I put a layer of Beetles matte top coat. For some reason, the Beetles matte top coat is like the only matte top coat I've been able to get to work with chrome. So I'm just gonna go in with the Beetles chrome bond. Beetles has a chrome bond and it's black and it works amazing. I got it off of Amazon. It was like in a kit where it came with the chrome and the matte top coat and stuff like that. So if I figure out the link to it, I'll put it in the description. But I went in with the chrome bond black color, and went ahead and I drew a little star on my middle finger, and I put some designs on my ring finger, middle finger, on all my fingers, but I made sure to really put an effort into this star. That's why I filmed it.
Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army. Ready when
Here's me putting on the rose charm, and I just took some Beetles. No, that's not Beetles. I mean, it could be Beetles, or it could be the Model Ones. Model Ones. Why am I forgetting the names of all these products and I use them every day? The Model Ones gym glue, rhinestone glue, there we go. And then I'm using the candy top coat. Why am I forgetting the names of all the products that I use every day? But now I'm going in with the candy top coat. And I love Candy because their gel polishes are henna free. So if you have clients that have a henna allergy, I definitely recommend you use Candy. They are a little bit more on the expensive side, but hey, it works really, really good for me. And I did my nails about 2 days ago now that I'm recording this voiceover, and my nails are still shiny. Like, they are shiny. So definitely invest in this top coat.
Stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to say, nothing to talk down. Oh, there's nothing wrong with where you live right now. So it's not wasting another day.
Okay, now I'm just putting on some cuticle oil. I actually sell these cuticle oil pens. I need to go ahead and get a website and get that up and running. But here's my cuticle oil pen, my homemade cuticle oil pen. I'm just putting it on my cuticles, making sure to get it all in there to hydrate my cuticles after messing with them, clipping them, and everything. Okay, and then here's the final product. My first YouTube video back, my first time doing nails on camera in a long time. So I thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Hopefully I have another video up next. Why is it so sped up? But again, thanks for watching, Pookies, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!